Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here today with someone that wants to be anonymous, but is willing to show off his scar because he's here today not for hair, he's here for a scar revision of another surgery that he had. So he had a scar with me and he had a scar with someone else, and he was so impressed with the scar work that we did here, he wanted me to cut out his old scar because it's really limiting his hairstyles in terms of how short he can get. So we've already just mapped out with the line his old scar, and you can see how wide of an area that is, almost 2 centimeters in some areas. This is my scar right there. You can see the difference, right? So look at a little pen line, that's that pencil thin line that we talk about, and this is a scar from another place. So today we're going to completely cut out this line, this old scar, and bring it together the proper way, so we'll have 2 scars like this. And then he can absolutely wear his hair in so many more lengths. You know, he's really limited to having a longer style. Even with his hair at almost an inch long, you can see where the space is. So keep you posted on his progress, but thanks again, Anonymous, for letting us show you off here, and just know that all clinics are not the same when it comes to scar work. So again, I'm here with Anonymous, and we just got done sewing up fixing his scar revision. You can see how that's just going to be a tiny little line in between those sutures, similar to the one below. So this should be a much better result. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.